Right, so hello everyone and welcome back to another Southern Biker video, and you join me on a cold and dark Friday afternoon taking my bike to the garage because I have had a puncture and I tried plugging it this morning and it's not worked. So I'm pretty sure I've just topped it up, put it to, you know, the PSI it should be. I'm pretty sure I'll be able to get it to the garage. Yeah, I've only had these tyres for about 4 months at a push. They're Michelin Road Pilot 4s. I'll throw up a picture of the puncture now for you, and I'm sure you'll see it's the world's smallest puncture, to the point I'm not even sure what's gone in there to cause it in the first place. Did I forget to indicate? Possibly. So yeah, I'm not entirely sure how I got the puncture because I can't tell what's in it. Used one of those plug kits and it's still pissing out air, so let's hope they can fix it. They seem to think they can repair it, but I told them I've already put a plug in it, but apparently they can fix it instead of a whole new tyre. But something tells me they'll look at it and go, yeah, no, we're putting a new tyre on for you instead, probably because it's safer. Also, another note, I took my chain off the back wheel while it was locked up in the shed. And as I'm taking the chain off the back wheel, so you know, obviously get the bike moving, the one of the little wheel weights came off as well. So I'll have to speak to them about that when I get it there. So if you don't know where I'm going, and if you're local to south of Essex, I'm going to PassBike in Rochford. It's where I've done my CBT, my A2, and where the bike's gone for pretty much everything other than a service, which I took to a main Honda dealer and they didn't put enough oil in it. And chain and sprockets were done at a place 5 minutes around from me because it was the only place that can get me in on short notice. So yeah, I'm not sure what the next video is going to be after this one. I might not even finish this one until I pick the bike up tomorrow, hopefully. But then again, like I said, they might say it's a whole new tyre, which will probably be longer of a wait and more money, but it's better than having no bike at all. Right, we're all good. Round we go. I'm just hoping the tyre lasts to get me there. I mean, I filled it up to 43 PSI, and about an hour and a half, 2 hours later, I've come back, finding out a way to get a lift, and it was on 39, so it's not losing loads quickly, but now obviously I'm sitting on it, so I'm not sure how that's going to affect it. Who knows, this video might end with me in a ditch somewhere. Now, PassBike do offer a pickup service, but I know damn well if I ask that, I'll be waiting forever. And they've not made me bring it. They said, do I feel confident getting it down? I said yes, so I'm doing this on my own choice, my own volition, or whatever you say, however you say it. Yes, I'm fully aware that was a corner. Unless anything else happens, I will cut to you when we arrive at PassBike. Okay, right, we are pretty much there. My visor up, it's fogging up even though I've got a pin lock. I'm curious to see how much air I've got left in this. I ain't got a gauge or anything on me though, I'll just give it a poke when I get there. I'm coming round. No. But yeah, that felt a little bit soft. Right, where should I park it up? That's not in gear. What the fuck is that thing? There we go. Kickstand down. Lovely. Alright, how much do we have left? How squidgy is it? Well, to be fair, that's not that squidgy. Right. Let's put the lock on it. Because I don't know how quickly they're going to bring it in. I might leave it here for the night. Actually, to be fair, I imagine I'll bring everything in. We've got a big enough space back there. I might put mine up though by the time they move it. Off you come, pick the one. No, I wish it's on alarm mode, but it keeps going off on its own, so it never used to do it, and I thought maybe the battery's low, but it doesn't always do it. So I don't know. Might just be because it's a bit funny on my bike. Either way, alarmed or not, it's something. There you go. Sweet. Right, let's go and give them the keys.
Tomorrow.
Right, I've got the bike back, and I'd like to know what is happening here with the disc lock. I don't think they're aware that they can just put it under the seat. But the bike is back. They've put a mushroom plug in it, and with that, let's take the bloody thing home. Because I have now got to get ready for a 12-hour night shift. I can't wait. It's just amazing. So yeah, that was a little palaver and experience. Some nice bikes here. Is that a Phase 1000? Probably. It's an I think, yeah, R6, so I can't remember if it was R6 or R1. I think that's a 125 Shadow over there. With, of course, the seat that's held together with a lot of duct tape, because I know someone who used to have one of those, and it was also held together with duct tape. Seems to be a theme with those. Fucking loud as well, from what I remember. What else they got here? Just some other bits and bobs. That's an old GS. I don't even know if it's called a GS, but it looks like one. Right, with that, enough blabbering on. Let's get home. It's good to have you back, Toothless. Do you feel a bit different now? To be fair, tyres are cold, brakes are cold, road's probably cold, everything's cold. I feel a little more thumpy. I'm still indicating. Don't need to indicate now. Not yet. Not yet. Okay, now. Now, mate. Ah, yes. Lovely pops and bangs. I hate that fucking manhole cover is right there, because it's at an angle in a dip in the middle of a corner. Like, that is just waiting to maim someone. That is waiting to cause someone's untimely demise. You wait there.